Power went out again in an estate in Ashi, Bodija, but this family didn't even notice. While their neighbors were waiting for electricity to come back, their home remained fully powered. The air conditioners kept running, the fridge stayed cool, and the lights never flickered. Every appliance continued working as if nothing had happened. Why? Because they made the switch to solar. We installed a 3 kVA hybrid inverter, a 6 kWh lithium battery, and 8 units of 350 watt solar panels, a complete energy solution designed for comfort, reliability, and peace of mind. No more worrying about blackouts, no more fuel expenses, no more interruption to daily life. Just clean, dependable power day and night. At AKSUN Electronics Technologies Ltd, we don't just install solar systems, we give families the freedom to enjoy uninterrupted power whenever they need it. If you are tired of power outages controlling your life, it's time for a change. Your home deserves better, your family deserves comfort. Call us today and let's build a power solution that works for you.